In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in the Squarespace app. Squarespace is a great platform for building beautiful, modern websites, and knowing how to add text effectively can really enhance your site's presentation. Let's get started. First, we'll need to access your Squarespace website editor. This is where all the magic happens. You'll create, edit, and manage your web pages right here. To do that, simply log into your Squarespace account and navigate to your site. Once there, open the website editor, which you can find in the dashboard area. The next thing you'll want to do is look for the option to add a new block to your page. Blocks are essentially the building pieces of your website on Squarespace, and adding a text block is a basic but vital skill. You'll find the Add Block button typically located on the upper right part of the screen when you hover over the area where you want the new block. Clicking on Add Block will open up a menu with various options that you can add. Here, what we're interested in is the Text option. Once you spot it, click on Text. This will place a new text block on your page, ready for customization. Now it's time to type in your content. This is where you get to express what your page is about, whether it's an introduction, a call to action, or useful information for your visitors. Remember, clarity and brevity are key to keeping your audience engaged while delivering your core message. Next, to add some flair to your text, select the font style that best matches the theme and goal of your website. In the text block settings, you'll find a variety of font styles to choose from. Whether you prefer something bold and standout or sleek and minimal, there's likely a perfect font for your needs. Beyond the font style, you can further emphasize your text by using bold or italic options. Selecting bold will make your text appear more prominent and can be useful for headings or important information. Similarly, italic can be used to highlight a special word or phrase, adding a touch of elegance. If you wish to play around with the aesthetics a bit more, navigate to the color options for your text. Here, you can experiment with different colors that can help the text align with your website's color scheme. Not only does changing text color improve legibility, but it also enhances visual appeal. For those looking to add hyperlinks to their text, click on the Link option. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to type in the URL that you want your text to direct visitors to. Adding links can be a great way to provide additional resources or direct traffic to relevant sections of your website. Finally, after all these enhancements, don't forget to save your changes. Click on the Save button to ensure all your hard work is recorded and visible on your live site. And that's it! You've successfully added and customized text in Squarespace. With these small tweaks, your website is sure to look more engaging and professional. Happy web designing!